Everyone, welcome to Vlogtober day 16. I've literally just got up and dressed and now I'm ready for the day. I'm just about to eat some shreddies right now. There we go. For my breakfast. I need a tray actually because I don't want to spill, you know, loads of milk everywhere like I did the other day when I spilled literally a whole loads of water all over me, so that wasn't great. I'm trying to like vlog and carry a tray in my hand. Okay, it did work. We accomplished that. Okay, got my breakfast. So I'm going to eat this right now. I've got frosted shreddies, which is possibly my favourite. So I'm going to watch some YouTube, I think, whilst I eat my breakfast, and yeah, that's about it. Hello everyone, it's definitely, I don't know how long since I filmed the last clip was. I don't even know, maybe like an hour, 2 hours later now. I'm still watching some YouTube right now, about to play some Sims 4. I'm just trying to export my vlog from yesterday, which I am trying to do right now. I just need to add a thing at the end of the video for the previous Vlogtober, so the outro. So I need to add that to the video, and yeah, I'm pretty much done. I've just drank a Dr. Pepper and I am pretty much regretting it right now because I do, but it was very nice. I do kind of regret it a little bit, but I'm all good now. I might have like a green tea or something just to cleanse myself a little bit as a piece of fluff on the couch there. But yeah, I don't know what today's plans are really. I might clean my DVDs, maybe because I feel like they need a good dust. I haven't cleaned them in like a month or 2 months, so I feel like there's going to be a lot of dust on them, so I might give those a quick clean. I might work out today if I get the chance because I have got my speaker with me, so I might do that. I'm just watching YouTube as you do. I already watched this video. My camera's not going to focus for you, is it? Focus, man. Oh, there we go. So yeah, as I'm just watching YouTube as you do on a very rainy, disgusting Wednesday morning, because it is still the morning. So yeah, lovely weather outside. I'm going to watch the rest of this video and chill for a little bit, I think, and play some Sims 4 because I love it. I love that game. It's just my favourite. I sat on the sofa, but I have managed to squeeze in a workout. I did about 10-15 minutes of a workout, so at least I've done one today, and it was a floor workout I decided to do today. And yeah, I'm currently catching up with Gemma Willie's Miles vlogs. I hope I'm saying that right. I love her vlogs. They are literally my favourite thing ever, so I'm just catching up with her because I am, I believe, 2 behind, so I'm just catching up on her vlogs. I'm going to head upstairs in just a second and tidy up my DVDs as I said I was going to do. I just want to give them a quick like dust basically, and yeah, I might do 2 shelves today and 2 shelves tomorrow. Maybe I could get it all done. I mean, it's only 4 shelves, so possibly I could do that. We will see. Anyway, I'm going to watch this vlog now. I managed to clean this shelf and all these DVDs on the bottom shelf. Now I'm going to move on to this shelf. If you do want to see my complete DVD collection, I'll leave a link to that obviously down below in the description box, so you can go and check it out and see all of my DVDs that I own, because it is ridiculous and I do love them. So yeah, as I was saying, I have managed to clean off the bottom shelf now. It's looking all good. I've got like so many box sets, it's just crazy, but I love physical media. I love collecting it. It's just my favourite. Okay, let's go to the second shelf now, where I'm gonna have to move my camera, but I'm just gonna clean my little Funko Pops. So this is Mr. Bean, which I love, such a great series, love it. And then we've got Joey from Friends, when he dresses up as a cowboy. And yeah, I love Friends, you know me. I love it. Let me just give this a quick dust. There we go, looking a little bit better. Okay, this is going to be a bit difficult because I don't know where to put you right now. I have no idea. I might have to balance you on something. I don't know what though. This is going to be the worst trying to film something ever. I don't know. I might have to put you up here maybe. Is that okay? I hope so. Okay, let me just give these a little bit of a quick dust. This is a really old DVD there. Then we've got Matilda. Love Matilda. God, there's so much dust on these. It is literally ludicrous because I haven't cleaned these in about a month. So I mean, these are going to have a lot of dust on them. I do want to protect them, obviously. You know. We've got Mr. Men, classic. Minions there. Okay, let's move on to the others. My Michael McIntyre DVDs, which I have right here. Oh, there we go. I've now seen him live. I saw him back in April and loved it. I'd happily see him again. He was just so funny and I can't believe that was back in April. Like, time has gone so quickly. I can't believe it's October. So there you go. I'm literally just rambling right now. This is taking me forever to clean all the dust off these DVDs. I think because I have so many of them, it is getting to the point now where it is ludicrous, but I mean, I'm still going to collect them, obviously. Okay, we've got Manny McPhee right there. I'm just going to give that shelf just a quick dust. I'm literally balancing you on DVDs. Probably not the best thing to do, but I think we're alright. I don't know, can you see me if I put you here? No, my head's cut off. I don't know. Maybe this would work. God, this is literally just like... No, that's not gonna work. That's a bit too flimsy. Okay, I'm just gonna go through the rest of these now and give the rest of these a quick dust. I don't know where to balance yet because I'm trying to figure out where you can see my head. That might be alright until I have to move you again. But I think we're all good. This is taking me so long. I'm so excited for Paddington 3 to come out. Literally, I'm buzzing for that. Okay, I'm going to do the rest of these and I'll come back to you. Just finished the second DVD shelf right now, so they're looking a lot better. My camera's a bit wonky. Okay, I'm going to have to lean up slightly here to get to the third shelf. But these are all my Pixar, I think, and Disney titles and a few others. So I mean, I've got a lot to go through. So we're on to this shelf just above that one. Right here, this has taken me a while, but I mean, it is a lot of fun. So let's give these ones a quick dust. These ones aren't too bad, but I mean, the ones below there weren't that great. Okay, especially my box sets, they seem to get a lot of dust on them. Okay, what else is in here? What else have we got? Toy Story 4, which I think is a pretty underrated Disney film. Not a lot of people, Disney film? Pixar film, jeez. But not a lot of people don't talk about. I personally liked it. And then, oh god, we've got all these ones. Okay, to go through a film I don't know many people know about, Aliens the Attic. I mean, I grew up with it, it's a pretty good film. I don't know if anyone else did. Okay, got those ones, and then got these, a childhood film of mine. This is my childhood right there. And then, and yes, it is better than the original. I don't care, it is, in my opinion. Yes, I might have grown up with it, but I mean, I just prefer it. So, give this a quick dust. This is really dusty. This is a Friends light up sign. I think this was from Waterstones. I'm pretty sure. So, give that a quick clean as well. And then the last few DVDs I have here. Okay, those are quick dust. And the last stretch of this shelf. Okay, here's the last few that I have. So there we go. Just give those a quick dust, and then the last two as well. Okay, that's that shelf done. I'm just gonna give it now a quick, oh, there we go, a quick dust. That's looking a little bit better, I think. Yeah, that looks a lot better. Now wish me luck on trying to put all these back. Okay, there we go. How to Train Your Dragon. Like, such a good film. I loved it. Why are those at the end of the... Oh, never mind. I thought I put my DVDs then like in the wrong order. I haven't. Me being stupid. Okay. Oh, it's very hard to reach. There we go. Got the shelf. We're all good. Okay. Move you up a minute. To this shelf. Okay. I'm making sure these don't fall, which I feel like is very hard. Okay. We've got this. I can do it. I can put all these films in order, I think. How they go. There's the last bunch. So where's that? That's from Cars. Okay. So that's definitely in the wrong place. Since there's that one. Okay, I think now we're all good. Okay, now time for the last shelf. Hoorah! Okay, these are a little bit more messy now, but are these in order? I'm sure. I don't know what the last thing I said was, but I finished now the third shelf. I think these are in order. I am pretty sure I have put these in the right order. I'm going to have to check. I think so. They look in the right order anyway. Okay, let's go to the final shelf now. If I just move you up slightly. There we go. Okay, just clean off my only figures. Get rid of these do get a little bit dusty, so I do like to give these a quick clean. Okay, put them on that shelf. Okay, I'm just going to move this sign that I have. Okay, I'm just going to do the last load now and just clean off the top shelf, and then I'm pretty much done. So, hope you enjoyed that. The end of today's vlog. Here, hope you enjoyed. Make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. If you did, make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you all in Vlogtober day 17.